Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can insert JSON object data in MySQL by using two ways. So let's get started. So here I'm having two tables which are yet to be created. The only difference is going to be the data type that we are going to assign for that particular column in which we are going to insert JSON data. So let me go with the first way. So in the first table, let me have a column named ID and the type going to be int, and let me have my JSON data column, and this is going to be of type JSON. So there is a type named as JSON in MySQL similar to int and varchar. So I will just create this table now. Let me just now create this. Yeah, table has been created and this is of data type JSON, this particular column. So now let me just go and try insert some JSON value. So I'm having this one. I will just copy this and I'll just go here, insert into our table name is test2. It's going to be test2 values. First one is going to be int. I'll just put one over here for the int, and comma, you need to put single quote. Okay, you need to only paste that JSON data within single quote. So this is good, and inside this I will just paste it. So here you can see, also make sure that you have the correct number of curly brackets, 1, 2, and this is the enclosing one. So this is fine, and let me just now run this. Yeah, green mark. And if I go and select the table, select it, and here you can see I'm having the data. If you can't view the data, you can just hover over it. We will be getting the JSON value, or else you can just right click and click on open value in viewer. Here you can see we will be having binary, text, and JSON. Also you can change the way that you are viewing this, the structure. You can click on tree, grid. There are like so many options, you can just play it around. So this is the first way, by using JSON data type. And you can also do the exact same thing by using string data type also. Yeah, with the help of string also you can insert JSON data, but that particular data will be treated as a normal string rather than being treated as a JSON value. So let's try that also. I'm having here test1. I'll just have a column and it's going to be same JSON data, and this is going to be of type varchar. Okay, varchar or string, anything. So you need to give the varchar as 100. Let me go with 100 because it's a big thing. So this is fine. Let me create it. Yeah, test1 is a table name, and let me just change this to test1. That's it. So the same way you need to insert the data in the same way. It should be within single quote, and make sure that you have properly closed all the curly bracket. And let me just now insert this. Okay, it says data too long, so maybe I can just minimize the number of things. I'll just remove this address key. Yeah, so this is fine now. We are having the same thing, maybe one curly bracket. Yeah, so this is fine. Let me insert it again. Yeah, here you can see it is getting inserted, and if I just view the table test1, which is my string column, if I run this, here you can see, but this is of type string. If I just click on open value in editor, I will be having only here binary and text. I won't be having that JSON thing. I hope you can understand that. Let me show you that. Remember this, I'm having here binary and text only. But if I go to the other table in which I had the JSON type, that is the test2 table, if I go to that table, I will copy this and paste it. I'll go with test2, run both at the same time. So test2 is here. If I click on open in editor, I'll be having this JSON format also, and I'll be having these things over here also. But in our normal string thing, I'll be having there only text. So this is the difference. It really depends upon your use case, how you are going to manipulate or format the data once you are getting the data in your UI. So you can insert based upon your preference as a normal string or as a JSON object itself. So these are the two ways, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in MySQL MongoDB queries, as well as CRUD operations using MySQL MongoDB Node.js Spring Boot, as well as other programming videos in EAI. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.